Hello, in this video I'm going to show the home screen tricks on Motorola Moto G86 Power. Okay, so let's begin. To open up the home screen settings, simply hold on your home screen. And that's all. In here we can, for example, quickly change themes. Just like that. Same thing with the fonts. You can pick between one of those. For example, I'll pick the last one, and now it has been changed. Okay, now from here we can go straight into the widgets, and we can create a widget from all of those apps that are right in here on that list. So for example, let's create a new widget of maybe TikTok, because why not? Maybe that one. Click on add, and now as you can see it appeared right now on our home screen on the place where I have selected. And now we have quick access into our TikTok. Of course, you can create any other widget that you want. If you want to remove it, simply hold on it, select it onto the remove, release your finger, and now it has been removed. Also, let's add another one, maybe the Chrome, maybe that one, click on add, and now it appears right now on our home screen. Of course, we can change position anywhere that we want. I mean, you also need to have enough space for it, but you always find some place. Okay, as we hold in back again, we can, for example, also create the widgets. My bad, sorry. We can open up the wallpaper settings. And in here we can enable the lock screen and also add effects to it, such as zoom, sway, ripple, snow, rain, or the AI zoom. We can stylize it with some filters or something like that, as you can see. And as you click on others, we can select on none, we can select the blur, or change the brightness. Also, you can create a new wallpaper by choosing from photos, dynamic, or the curated images. Also, we can enable the live lock screen. To do it, open up the settings, click on personalize. It's under the lock screen, no, not in here. I think when I'll type live lock screen, okay. Well, it's like the app. Wait a second. It should be in here. Yeah, in the display, I think. Yeah, in here we have also the live lock screen, and thanks to that we can enable the changing wallpapers. It's basically like the wallpaper carousel, so the wallpapers will be changing. Okay, back into the home screen, hold in, we can also click on personalize. In here we can also change the themes. I was showing you that because we had a shorter way to it. We have those themes that we can select. Also, we can change the colors of our system right in here, or we can create a new one. And if you want, you can enable the themed icon. You can see the difference. If you want to save, hit the button, and that's all. Same thing with the icon shape. We can change it. You can see the difference right now on the screen. If you have picked the one that you want, click on save, and now it's done. We can also select the... I was showing you the fonts, my bad. Not that, I wanted to show you the display and text size. So we can change the font size and adjust it into your preferences, and also the display size of the icons. If you want, you can also enable the bold text, and now it's simply bigger, and also use the high contrast text. If you want to reset settings, simply click on reset, and now everything went into the original settings. And next to it we have the layout. We have a lot of modes, as you can see. So we have 4:6, 5:7, 5:6, 5:5, 4:7, 3:4, 4 on 4, and 4 on 5. So if you pick the smaller layout, you won't have many icons on your home screen, but they will be simply bigger. So you can pick between the mode that you like the most. I'll stick to the standard one. And also you can click and hold right in here to see a preview. Okay, now let's go with the fingerprint animation. And we have 3 modes that we can set. It's the radial waves, boomerang, or the chroma dial. You can now see the difference on the screen. For now, I'll pick that one, and I'll show you how it works. Let's place our finger on the sensor, boom, and now we had our new animation. So I'll pick that one. When it comes to the sounds, you can in here quickly change your notifications. And there was other thing that I wanted to change, but suddenly it disappeared. So give me a second. Home settings. Okay, in here we also can change the home screen style. It can be the app tray or the open. You can also change the app label between 2 rows, 1 row, or don't show. We can also lock home screen layout, so the icons and videos will be locked in place, and we won't be able to change the layout. Okay, I'm wondering where one thing disappeared that I wanted to show you. Maybe it was the lock screen. Yeah, click on customize the lock screen, and in here, when you click, you can change the notification style. It can be bubble, chip, or the list. You can also change the clock phases. For example, that one. And also, you can create a new shortcut. So for example, I'll pick the Chrome, boom, and for the second one, maybe the flashlight. So now, when we are in our lock screen, when I click right in here, and now when I use my fingerprint, the Chrome launches immediately. And now let's try with the flashlight. In here we need to simply tap, and as you can see, the flashlight launched, and now it turns off. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.